Looking to make money online as a beginner in 2023 with no experience or skills? Look no further. In just 30 minutes, you can start earning money online with this easy-to-follow strategy. All you need to do is watch this video till the end. This is a CPA marketing strategy, which means cost per action marketing. Unlike traditional affiliate marketing, with CPA marketing, you're not selling anything. Instead, you're simply getting people to do a simple action, such as adding their email or website information, and you make profits from it. It's a straightforward process and one of the easiest ways to make money online. In this video, I'll show you how to make money online with CPAgrip.com, a website where you can leverage multiple CPA offers to earn money online, even as a complete beginner. All you need to do is register and create your account. Make sure to add your real information, as this is crucial for withdrawing your earnings. After creating your CPA marketing account, the next step is to start looking for offers that you can use to make money. To do this, log into your account and navigate to the My Offers section. This is where you will find all the available offers that you can promote. These offers are essentially products or services that require users to perform a simple action in exchange for a reward or benefit. For example, an offer may require users to enter their email address in order to receive a free ebook or download. Every time someone completes the required action, you earn a commission or payout. Once you've selected the offers you want to promote, the next step is to start promoting them. One effective way to do this is by using a free website builder like Webflow.com. This platform provides an intuitive drag-and-drop interface that allows you to easily create a professional-looking website without any coding skills. To promote your CPA marketing offers on Webflow, simply copy the links of the offers you want to promote from your CPA account and paste them onto your website. You can create different pages on your website for each offer and add compelling headlines and images to attract potential customers. You can easily create a professional-looking website for free, even if you're a beginner, with Webflow.com. With a wide range of templates available, you can find the perfect design to suit your needs. To get started, simply sign up using your Gmail account or create a new account with your first name, last name, email, and password. Once you've created an account, you can choose from a variety of templates, both free and paid, to create your website. If you're looking for a free template, you can find a great selection by clicking on View All under the Free Templates section. Once you've chosen a template, you can begin customizing it to suit your needs. For example, if you want to change the main heading to a giveaway offer, simply delete the existing heading and add your own text. You can also add images by clicking on the plus button and choosing the image option. With just a few simple steps, you can create a professional-looking website that will impress your visitors, even if you're a complete beginner. Now let's add the images for the different CPA offers from CPA Grip. Simply go to the first offer and save the image. Then go to Webflow.com, click on the image and upload it. Repeat the process for the other offers. Next, delete any unnecessary text and add shiny buttons with enticing text like "Click to win $4,500" or "Click to win $10,000." Copy the offer link from CPA Grip and paste it into the button's URL in Webflow.com. In less than 10 minutes, you can have a professional-looking website with CPA offers that visitors can easily click and engage with. Delete any unnecessary sections and you're good to go. At the backpack shop local, we don't want to keep any of this. We can keep this at the end as it's fine. Now let's move on to our giveaway page. This works because visitors to the website have one clear option. Start clicking the buttons to participate in the surveys and provide their email addresses. This enables us to earn money, and they have the opportunity to win one of our amazing prizes. Next, we will click Publish and choose to publish it to selected domains. Although we could opt for a custom domain, it's a more involved process that we don't need to cover now. After opening the website in a new tab, we can see the 3 images and buttons to start the offers. It's an easy process. We'll go to Reddit and head to the subreddit called Giveaways or Reddit Giveaways. Here we'll create a post and direct people to our giveaway page. With 98,000 people searching for giveaways, directing them to our website with 3 opportunities to make up to $15,000 is sure to be successful. We can either add our URL to a link or create an image with a title that directs them to our page. We'll then ask them to comment below to gain access to the giveaway. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and like. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you and others who are looking to learn and grow their skills. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.